Hi everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. Today I am updating my iPhone SE 2020 to iOS 18.5 and I will walk through the full process including what's new, what to expect and whether you should install it. First, let's check the update. Go to settings, then tap software update, and if iOS 18.5 is available, you will see it right there. Before updating, please back up your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes. Also make sure your phone has enough storage and at least 50% battery or is connected to the power. I am tapping the update now button. It may take a few minutes. Okay, update requested. I am waiting for the next prompt from my iPhone. Yes, the update file is downloading. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After downloading, my iPhone will restart to complete the installation. In the meantime, what are the new features of iOS 18.5 for iPhone SE 2020? Okay. New AI powered autocorrect and keyboard enhancement. You can expect better autocorrect accuracy using on device machine learning. Also, inline predictions for faster typing. Another benefit is updated Apple Podcast app. I don't know if you use this app in your life, but you can now access transcripts for episodes and even search for phrases inside them. Also, enhanced battery health info. It will show more details about battery health and charging history. And iOS 18.5 also includes critical system update and Safari patches to keep your device safe. Also, iOS 18.5 improved the overall system stability and app launching speed on older models. Now let me share my pros and cons about iOS 18.5 on these old devices. You will get smoother typing experience, useful new podcast features, better battery info and essential security fixes. These are the plus point. But what are the negative ones? You will get no AI features like Apple Intelligence, and your phone might slightly slow down if your storage is low. So, if your iPhone SE 2020 has enough free space and you are not facing major performance issues, iOS 18.5 is safe to install. Just make sure to back up your important data before you begin. That's it for today. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more helpful tech videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.